Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to restrict someone on TikTok. If you want to restrict someone on TikTok, what you need to do is to open TikTok. Now go to the person's profile. So once you open their profile, tap the share button at the top right corner. Then select block from the options at the bottom. Then click block again to confirm the action. So blocking is the strongest option if you don't want the person interacting with or accessing your account. So TikTok currently doesn't have a general restrict feature like Instagram. Instead, you can use privacy controls, you can mute them or block them depending on what you want to prevent. Next is to limit their interaction. So if you don't want to block them completely, you can go to your profile, click the three-line menu in the top right corner, go to settings and privacy. Once you're here, scroll down and go to interaction section. Then adjust settings for comments, you have direct messages, mentions, tags, etc. and other interactions so you can control who can view individual posts. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.